Welcome to the new student worker training. As you are probably aware, this is a mandatory training. There will be quizzes throughout, and we are able to see if you have completed each section, so don't skip through things that you think you don't need. There are basically two types of student worker positions at HACC: federal work study and student employment. If you are eligible for federal work study funds, then you will be paid through your financial aid award. If you are student employment eligible, then you will be paid through the department's budget that you work for. Regardless, you will be paid $9.50 an hour, and you are eligible to work up to 20 hours per week. Both positions are intended to provide financial assistance to students through part-time employment. The job provides an opportunity for you to earn a paycheck for hours worked to contribute to the cost associated with your education. That could be for gas, food, housing, books, anything that you need while you're a student.